Hello, I'm Tim Fagan, one of the legal editors here at BLR, covering environmental compliance. The new year is here, and with that, a new reporting season has begun. The Tier 2 reporting deadline is up first, so we want to make sure you're prepared. The Tier 2 report is due on March 1st, which falls on a Sunday this year, so if you're submitting hard copies, be sure to have them postmarked by February 27th or 28th at the latest. The first question you're probably asking is, do I need to submit? Well, to simplify, you or your facility would have to satisfy one of two criteria in order to be required to submit a Tier 2 report. First, if your facility used or stored any extremely hazardous substance in excess of 500 pounds or the threshold planning quantity, whichever is lower, or you used or stored any other hazardous substance in excess of 10,000 pounds. If you are required to submit, your next question has to be, submit what? Well, when determining this, sometimes it's just as important to determine what does not need to be reported. So what's out? Well, certain gasoline and diesel underground storage tanks may have higher thresholds than those I just mentioned. Mining facilities regulated by MSHA rather than OSHA are out. Hazardous substances in transportation do not need to be reported. Any food additive, color additive, drug, or cosmetic regulated by the FDA. Any substance in solid form in a manufactured item where exposure to the substance does not occur under normal use. Consumer products, meaning any substance used for personal, family, or household purposes, or if the product is in the same packaging and concentration as the product intended for use by the general public. The manufacturer may have to report the raw materials, but not the product in its final consumer form. Any substance used in a research laboratory or a hospital or other medical facility under proper supervision, and any substance used in routine agricultural operations. Keep in mind that the information I just gave you is in relation to the federal standards and thresholds. Your state may be more stringent, so be sure to check with them before you're submitting your report by March 1st. And remember, there are no extensions. Thank you and good luck.